Hello and welcome to MetJeff UK. This is the forecast for Devon, Cornwall and Channel Islands, and today forecast I'll take a look at the week's weather, a more closer look at the weather for Devon and Cornwall, bearing in mind we got the Royal Cornwall show on at Weybridge Thursday, Friday and Saturday, so we'll look at that one and see how it's going to pan out, and a look ahead to the rest of June. So we'll start with the UK Met Office fact charts, and we can see high pressure over British Isles firmly established. If you look at my long range forecast from the 9th of March, you will see this is exactly what I had sort of predicted, and I'm quite pleased the way things are going. This high then will gradually move north, and it will allow weather fronts to skirt past the eastern coast of Britain and into southeast England. So here it looks like becoming rather cloudy with some rain and drizzle, feeling cool with the wind coming off the cold North Sea. For us in the southwest, a long way from the east coast, so the wind just dragging the air across the land, and the land's got a chance to heat up, so becoming rather warm in the southwest during Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Looking ahead, this is the chart for Friday, but basically it's giving you the same idea that low pressure will be forming in Biscay. So fine day on Thursday, quite warm, so make sure you take your sun cream and a hat if you go into the show. There's a very high UV index. It's going to be quite high, I think 6 on Thursday and Friday, so really high, a real chance of getting sunburnt. If you come to Devon and Cornwall on the beach, great. The sea's quite cool at the moment, but you'll certainly get a suntan on the beach. But use plenty of cream. Anyway, going ahead to Friday and Saturday, looking like it's going to be mostly dry and sunny, although during Saturday morning it will start to cloud up from the south, and we'll see the presence of this low pressure becoming closer, with some showers or thunderstorms developing from the south, first developing over France and then migrating north across our slope. If you're in the show going on Saturday afternoon, stand by for some really heavy thunderstorms. There could even be some hail mixing with them, so that's a bit of a heads up for people at Cornwall on Saturday afternoon. But until then, I think you're going to enjoy yourself up there. It's going to be great weather. I say, looking right ahead to the end of the week with a low pressure and into the following week, this low gradually looks like sliding across the English Channel, so affecting southern England with some thundery rain or showers at times, and becoming a little bit cooler with all this rain falling from the sky. And if we have a quick look at my predictions, remember this is what I said what would happen in June: high over the continent and low to over Iberia. Generally speaking, we're going to get into a sort of a southeasterly airstream with quite warm weather, but always a threat of slow moving thunderstorms. And I will emphasise the fact that I think around the 10th and 12th of this month we could see some really vicious thunderstorms with them slow moving and giving the threat of flooding in places, so that's something to watch. As we go into the middle and latter part of June, I think, again, ignore this up here, I think we will get northeasterly airstream beginning to establish, and it's going to bring in some cooler air from way up north, so the temperature is beginning to drop, so feeling a lot cooler than it will be previously, and always a chance of low pressure developing sort of in the flow, moving southeast. so some longer periods of rain. So if I were to I can get rid of this a minute. Just briefly show you what I'm trying to say is that I think that we're going to get high pressure here, and this time low pressure here. Okay, so high here and low here, and we're going to get a sort of a north or northeasterly flow coming in like that, with weather fronts sort of like that coming into the country, and you know, this is a scenario where we're going to get a lot of rain and thunderstorms towards the end of the month, and feeling quite cool. So I would say after about the 22nd, becoming cooler, and with some rain at times, and there you go. So that's my forecast at the moment as it stands, and we'll see how it pans out. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll be back as soon as I can with another forecast. But in the meantime, whatever your weather, enjoy it.